Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, my name is Esther, where we literally do everything here. Literally everything that you can think of, I do it here. Today, as you can see, we're really stepping into these amazing, beautiful fall colors. I stepped outside today and it was like a cool 60 degrees and I'm like, yeah, yes, a round of applause, a round of applause, because I cannot be more excited, which is why I wanted to do like a fall baddie kind of dark makeup look where we focus really on those like deep oranges or those really deep tan brown colors. And I think this lip is like really gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this lip combo, and y'all should be too, for the season of fall, for the fall season, however you can say it. Like, y'all, I am so excited. I just can't wait to get cozy. Last night I had a cup of hot chocolate and I was just like, yeah, I'm ready. Yummy. Anyways, y'all, let's just get right into the video. First of all, look at how cute my little Juicy Couture set is. First thing we always do is brows. So let's get into the makeup now that I'm done yapping. But yeah, I love my bed. I need like more pillows. If y'all haven't watched my vlog, y'all should go watch it. I got this pillow, but I have not been able to drain it, y'all. Like, it's so filled up with water. I've been draining and spinning it in the washing machine. Nothing. This is the Lift and Snatch from NYX, and I've been using this one for quite a while now. I give it a little shake. If the lighting keeps changing, I am so sorry. For some reason, this lighting is doing me really dirty. For the brows, I usually go in with a concealer, but because our main focus is the brows and not like the highlighting of the brows or like me specifically accentuating the brows with a brighter concealer, I'm just going to go in with the About Face foundation above the brows and above to shape them out. But it's going to look very neutral because this is the same shade as my skin complexion, which is perfect for the look of today. I usually like accentuating them a whole lot, but because we are having so many features today be bold, I don't really want to take away anything by like brightening it or making it stand out even more, because I want the brows to be bold, I want the eyes to be bold, and I want the lips to be bold, all on the same level. I don't want the brows to be bolder than the eyes or the eyes to be bolder than the lip. You know what I'm saying? That's why I want the main focus to be on the feature themselves and not me brightening them a little bit more than I need to. Do you see that? How it's sharp and nice, but I didn't take away from the brow. Okay guys, these are the brows. I really like them. They're super like... If y'all have not gotten this About Face foundation, please do so, because like, look at how flawless it looks. Look at how the tiniest amount has hidden my forehead blemishes. If you have been watching my videos, I want to know down in the comments below whether you like voiceovers where my instructions are more clear and more detailed, or whether you like whenever I just sit down, do my makeup, and talk at the same time, kind of bouncing back and forth. If this is your first time watching my videos, I just want to know in general whether you like voiceover more or whether you like me talking throughout the video more. So just let me know down in the comments below what y'all would like to see more or what y'all like more, so that I can do that for y'all, because that would really help me out. I'm just gonna go in with the It Cosmetic foundation brush and blend everything out. I like this brush. I've had it for probably like a few months. The only thing I don't like about it is that it gets a little bit rougher over time, but it still blends really well. It just doesn't feel as soft, but probably that's because I cleaned it really roughly. Whenever I clean my brushes, I'm like, I don't know if that's just me though, probably not. Yes, girl. I like going in with a blush for this look. Like I said, with the warmer tones, more Fall Baddie vibes, I want to go in with the Morphe. This is in the shade Hot Shot. Give it a good little shaky shake. I really like this one. The only thing is I feel like you have to go in quite heavy, or like not a super pigmented blush. I would say this is more like natural, but I like going in quite heavy with it. I like going in quite heavy with all my makeup, to be honest with you. This is the Cheek Kiss 110 Sun Kiss Glow. I'm gonna go in with this darkest shade right here and almost just accentuate the blush, bringing a little bit more color to the cheekbones. But it's not pinky at all. It's like a red, orangey. For some reason on camera, it's picking up more pink. With my concealer, we're gonna be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. For the Tarte, this is the Shape Tape, and this is gonna be in the shade 34 Medium Sand. With the e.l.f. Concealer, I am going in with more in the inner corner, just like that. Quite heavy as well, to really brighten the under eye. Kind of even it out with like a same tone concealer on the outer corner, just so that you can blend them into each other and it doesn't end up looking crazy. Okay, y'all, I'm blending out my concealer and I'm using the Eco Tools concealer brush. This one is really nice. I would say it gets a little rougher over time, but I don't know if that's just because I'm washing them the wrong way or what. But whenever I first got it, I really liked it a lot. It looks kind of crazy, but what I like to do once I like blend it out is almost touch up the blush and blend it into each other, and kind of going in a full circle of blending the concealer, blending the blush, blending the concealer, blending the blush, until it gets to my liking. My favorites have been both the Morphe setting powders. This is just the regular translucent powder, and this is the pink powder. Take off all that excess powder, y'all, because then it's just gonna get cakey on your face. Trust me. Now that I'm all done setting my face, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty. This is the word I cannot pronounce, Gal, and this is a bronzer, and she's absolutely stunning. So with this one, we're gonna go in on the forehead and around this area right here, this temple area. I just smeared my brow. It's ruining my vibe. Juvia's Place palette, duh, in the shade Tan. define flat brush. Any flat brush will do. And you know how I do my contour, y'all. Let's set the nose now. This one is from e.l.f. and it's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia eyeliner. Y'all, I do it every time. I literally love this palette. It's perfect for fall in my opinion. We're gonna go with the shade Maple as well as Truffle. And we're gonna put it right here. I'm gonna like almost make like a soft cut crease. I'm gonna use the Too Faced The Natural Love. We're gonna go in with this one right here that's in the shade Spotlight. Just like that. Like, do you see how it's like you're really bringing in a more dimension, not necessarily like cutting a crease like 2016 vibes, like no, but essentially just softer, you know what I'm saying? That's what I mean. I feel like that looks good. Also, ignore that, my allergies. I'm gonna fix it, but there's really no point because my eye's just gonna keep leaking anyway. I'm gonna create a smoky look under my eye right here. I always do this and I literally love it every single time. Too Faced highlighter on the nose, cheekbones, maybe a little bit above the brow, but not too much. I am gonna use this Fenty highlighter in the shade Prosecco. I really like this one for the cheekbones. I'm just gonna put mascara on. I was gonna do lashes, but that would probably irritate my eyes too much. But I really like how the eyeshadow came out. I really feel like it elevated everything. I might add a little bit more smokiness under the eye because I feel like it really is making it look very like baddie. Like, yeah, like I'm bad as fuck, yeah. Like, look at this, y'all. Okay, guys, I'm not fully done with my mascara because, as you know, my mascara takes forever to do because my lashes always want to fall flat. Yeah, they always want to fall flat. So while we wait on that, I'm going to put my little lip combo on. It's going to match the eyes, and we're going to do like a brown nude lip. This is actually going to be our lip combo. This is the lip liner from Juvia's Place in the shade Cola. And then this is the vinyl lipstick from Maybelline. I think it almost is like a combination of like a matte and like a satin lipstick. These are literally so silky and like soft. I love them. Thank you dolls so much for watching today's YouTube tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed so much. I know that I was super excited to film this for y'all. Although my allergies were a bit annoying, I was like, let me put that aside, it's fine. I just was really so excited to sit down and talk to y'all. But I will see y'all next time. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite step of this makeup look was. Was it the lips? Was it the nose contour? Was it the bold eyes? If y'all want to see more of this, let me know down below as well. And I love y'all so much. Bye, dolls. Mwah.